What's up guys, welcome back to Talk Driven. In today's video we'll be reviewing the VW Polo Sedan 1.6 MPI. So without wasting time, let's get into it. So by the end of the video you will know the specs, cost of ownership and what this car can offer. One thing that sticks out when looking at this Polo is the sleek design, modern touches, and it just blends style, performance and comfort in one sleek package. And first impressions count, right? It certainly makes a statement on the road. Its modern design features sleek lines and a distinctive front grille that sets it apart in the sedan market. Now let's talk about the engine. Under the hood, this model has a 1.6 liter MPI engine, naturally aspirated, that delivers a power of 81 kilowatts and 152 Newton meters of torque. With a 6-speed Tiptronic auto gearbox, making it a good balance of power and fuel efficiency. It's perfect for both city and highway driving. Stepping inside, you'll find a surprisingly spacious cabin that's both comfortable and well designed. The seats offer excellent support whether you're on a short commute or a long road trip. Now let's talk about how much this car would cost you if you were to own it. Currently this car is priced at 382,900. Here's a breakdown of the costs. If the bank offers you a loan with interest rate of 12%, loan duration of 6 years, you'll be looking at a monthly cost of 7,578 rands. If you use the car often, commuting to work and stuff, for fuel we'll just use a base amount, approximately 2,000 rands. Could be high or could be low depending on how often or the distance you drive the car. Insurance premium of 1,800. There's multiple factors that can contribute to this: your driving record, age, gender, the make and model of the car, locations and many more. So we'll just use a base amount of 1,800 rands. And your total cost of ownership would equate to 11,378 rands, which is quite high, but cars are expensive these days, so what's the verdict? The Polo Sedan is a fantastic choice for small to medium families. Its compact size makes it a breeze to handle in urban environments, while still providing an ample space for passengers. So whether you're looking for a practical family car or a car that you can depend on, the Polo Sedan stands out as a great choice. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews and updates. Feel free to leave your thoughts or questions in the comments section below. See you next time.